Hello, we're Team 5 and in this video we'll be discussing the event of Coles and IKEA expanding partnership with their Tasker. Customers can hire someone to deliver groceries or construct IKEA furniture through AirTasker. The macro marketing forces we will be looking into are the social, cultural, and the technological changes which prompted Coles and IKEA to react. The following social-cultural changes negatively affected Coles and IKEA due to people being less likely to go outside or buy something which requires time and effort to build. Coles and IKEA's response was appropriate as it addressed the negatives of social-cultural changes, allowing customers to flexibly get things done from the comfort of their home. Technology has become advanced and inseparable in everyone's lives, and the customers look to online services to meet their needs. The response addressed the negative technological changes effectively. It brought a verified service for more customers to shop with Coles and IKEA without them having to develop a costly system themselves.